Good morning, everybody. I want to welcome you to Great Careers.
So this is the Great Careers Fair, where we are getting a tour of Renton Tech, and we are going around and learning about different careers.
I'm so excited to host you today at Renton Technical College. How many of you have been to this campus before?
One of my outreach managers always says to students on tours, how many of you want to move out of your mom's house? And that kind of piques their interest. Like, well, do you know in 1 year you could be moving out of your mom's house into your own place with a good job? And I think those are the quick pathways that we can offer, as well as, longer programs too.
Half of you will visit our exhibitors out there in the cafeteria area. The other half will go take a tour of the campus, and then we'll switch places.
I think events like this are beneficial because college and jobs, especially occupations after high school, aren't talked about enough. And it's very important, especially as me, because I'm a junior and I don't know what I want to do yet.
We want our students to be able to see themselves in that program. And doing that, we have to be on different campuses so that they have that opportunity.
It's hard to picture yourself doing a lot of things. But just being able to talk to someone who has been doing those things and learn how they got into it and what they like about it, that helps a lot.
Put that into this conveyor so that the red light shines on that little sign right there. Put your finger in that black thing and hold it for 2 seconds. Take it off. It's alive.
Going to these career fairs, it changes my outlook. Looking at some stuff, I learned a little bit about programming that I might want to try programming now. And so it's pretty interesting.
It can be a really good fit for folks that have learning challenges in kind of traditional classroom environments. You're moving around and you're working with your hands right away and you're building things, can be appealing and actually a better educational fit for students.
People don't understand what we do and what it takes to get in. I think that the biggest challenge is just getting out there and reaching as many people as we can, and that's why we do these outreach programs. A lot of people count themselves out before they try it.
Honestly, I'm really glad that I came today because I feel like I've had a lot of questions that have been answered because I've still been trying to just figure out what I want to do in life, and so far it's helped me a lot.